Alright guys, so we are back with a new bomb. This is MadBearBeauty's Coffin Eyeball Misfire. She posted this up on Instagram sometime last week, I believe, and I had to grab this and it sold out very quickly. It is scented in Twilight, and honestly, her Lush dupes are on point. I don't really want to use it because it smells so good. I did not know the scent description when I got it because there was no label on it, and I forgot what her Instagram post had stated what the scent was. But I had to double check to see if I had put my Sleepy Time lotion on because it smells exactly like Lush's Twilight. It's delicious. And can we talk about the shimmer? I mean, look. It's gorgeous and it is huge. So let's get this started, shall we? Stunning work from MadBearBeauty. I will have all of our information linked down below. You guys should already know, but if you're new to my channel and seeing this for the first time, welcome. And if you want to find MadBearBeauty, you can find her Etsy shop and Instagram page linked in the description box, and her shop linked in also the cards and the 20-second end mark of this video. But look at that. This is gorgeous, and look at the bubbles. It smells divine in here. I don't know about you guys, but most popular belief is Twilight is one of Lush's, all-time biggest seller, and it is one of my all-time favorites. I love Twilight from Lush. It is basically my top favorite scent from Lush, other than Day of the Dead. This definitely packs some punch with these colors. We seem a little blurry here, and I don't honestly know why. But isn't that beautiful? These colors are so bright and so pretty. I love this teal type of aqua shade and this orangey red. It's beautiful. I mean, look how bright that is. Sorry for the shakeage, guys. We went out to Waterfest and we just got back. We were running in from the rain and got soaked and cold. I see some yellow coming out as well, a little bit on that end. I don't know if you guys hear the tapping, but it is raining outside and I have a skylight in my bathroom, so if you do hear tapping, that is where that's coming from. And I've been pretty quiet throughout this because this is gorgeous, and whenever I watch one of Mallory's bath bombs go off, I just get hypnotized and just take a look. There's just vibrant, exploding colors and shimmers. These colors are very bright. I mean, this is bath art, and it's beautiful. I don't want them to sink just yet. Guys, I think she had to have mixed a yellow and a green to get the color that she's getting through this blue. That's just from that little look right there. But this blue is the most prettiest blue I've ever laid eyes on. It's gorgeous. I really think I'm gonna ask her to make me a custom bath bomb with this shade of blue intact, because this has to be the pretty, I mean, this camera's not doing it any justice. You guys are picking it up, obviously, but it's so much brighter, and it's like a fluorescent type of bright. It's gorgeous, and I'm just gonna slowly take you around. I'm gonna give you one shot up above, of course. And literally, it's just oozing everywhere. Get a little clip of my foot. This is beautiful. The type of bath that I needed right now with the day that I'm having. We were out all day and now it's rainy and it's stormy. I'm just gonna make some pretty bath art. My girls are being loud, so if you hear them, I am sorry. You guys see that pretty yellow that's coming in? It's gorgeous. Look at all that pretty bath art. So now guys, this is basically it. We're down to a little chunk. I'm gonna give you guys a full shot of the tub. Then I'm gonna see if this makes bubbles and fill up the rest of my tub, and then we will go over this beautiful bath bomb. So here it is. It had a beautiful orangey red type of, it's a coral basic color, basically rather coral, and this beautiful bright aqua teal. It's just gorgeous, and it is all around the tub. Tons of shimmer and a beautiful light twilight lush dupe scent. It's gorgeous. So guys, let's see what the water looks like, shall we? Oh wow, it's so pretty, and it is a beautiful purple. Beautiful purple, and all that gorgeous shimmer. Oh, I'm in love. I'm so in love. You guys see all that shimmer. It's It's beautiful, so beautiful. All right, guys, I am going to turn my water on, see if we can get some bubbles, and I'll be right back after my tub is filled. I'll let you know if this is a bubbler. If it's not, we'll see. Be right back. And we got bubbles, guys. So this definitely was a bubbler and is a bubbler, and these are soft, fluffy bubbles. I could have made a lot more, but I'm exhausted again. We just got back from the Waterfest rather. There was a wild animal show there, but it started raining and we walked home, and it's right across the street, but it's a good while, and it was freezing out. I sweated my butt off during Kylie's birthday party yesterday at the park, and then today at the park it was super cold and I wore short shorts, so not very smart idea. And it's raining and now I'm sweating in the tub. I just can't get comfortable today, guys. I'm a big whiner and complainer. But anyways, this made bubbles, and these are soft, fluffy, moisturizing bubbles. They're very luscious. I really like these. They're very like packed and dense. I don't know if you guys understand what I'm saying, but these are dense bubbles, but they're still kind of fluffy as well. And when it comes to the water, look at that more, and I said this was purple, but it's not. It's a beautiful blue. Once the water got mixed up, it turned a blue, and it's beautiful. I love this scent, but because I love Twilight so much, I wish the scent was a little bit stronger. That's just me though. I still love this balm. I still love this scent. It's Twilight and it's gorgeous, and I love MadBearBeauty. I love Mallory. Her work is phenomenal. I just would prefer this scent to be a little bit stronger where Twilight is concerned, but it smells exactly like Twilight nonetheless. I just love a big bust smell from Twilight. The stronger the Twilight scent smells to me, the better. But again, this smells exactly like Twilight, so it's beautiful. And this water is gorgeous. Look at that shimmer. And you can see the steam coming off of my water. I'm literally sweating in here. Alright guys, well this is it for the MadBearBeauty's Coffin Eyeball Misfire. Again, if you don't follow her on Instagram or Facebook, then it's a shame. You guys really should, because I found out about this misfire being put up due to Instagram. You get sneak peeks and you get to find out when giveaways are happening, when sales are beginning, when new products are arriving. And if you want to be the first one to grab them before they sell out, then I suggest you follow her, like her, and add her to Facebook and Instagram and whatever other platforms that she has, and also shop that Etsy shop. I will have everything linked down below for you guys. Also, you will see it appear in your cards and also on the screen right now. I love you guys, and I will see you later. I hope you're enjoying your weekend nonetheless, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, and look at that water. It is so beautiful. I love it. All right, guys, I love you all, and I will see you guys later.